what we have discussed in the last session, guys. Nmap, like we have discussed the scanning. Okay, so some part enumeration also we have covered. Okay, so we will see in depth about enumeration today, and we will try to exploit some servers also. Okay, first we will exploit the Windows 7, how to exploit the Windows 7 and all we will see. Okay, all right. So let me share my screen. Okay, so anyone please tell me what is the location for enumeration directory? What is the enumeration directory location? So whenever you are performing an enumeration, you just need to go to this directory. No need to remember anything. Okay. So you have to just go through that. Okay. CD user share nmap scripts. So this is the directory where all the scripts will be available here. Okay. So just need to go to this directory and just you can type here ls. Whenever you type the ls command, you will get a lot of files. Okay, so you will get a lot of files which is helpful for the enumeration. So you can use all these things to perform the enumeration, like how many ports are there. For every port we have some enumeration techniques is there. So here you can see http related ports, but if you are targeting particularly one port, so how can you retrieve these ports, these particular scripts? How can you retrieve these particular scripts? See, you can just type ls and use a pipe symbol and type grep. Okay, and here you have to mention your target port. Suppose if your target port is ftp, just mention ftp. If your target port is http, just mention http. If your target port is ssh, type ssh. So you will get some scripts will be there. So you have, what you have to do, you just need to copy the script from here to your target system. So now go to a new tab. Okay, nmap IP address is 192.168.184.192 again, double hyphen script equals to, here I'm mentioning this one, ssh brute force.ens key. So it will check the brute force attack, it will perform the brute force attack and it will give you the result. It will try with the basic uh, combinations like username, passwords and all things it will do. At the final, if you have any right credentials, it will provide the things. Yeah, is it clear? Yes, is it clear? So like this, we can perform this enumeration. Okay, all right. I hope it is clear the enumeration, like how we are performing, how to scan. So according to your port, you have to perform the scanning. Okay, okay, okay. So now, I hope everyone have the Windows 7 machine, right? Yes, Windows 7. Everyone have that one, right? Yeah. Please let me know if you have. I have Windows 10. Okay, Windows 7. I'm asking. Don't you guys have the Windows 7? Okay. Yeah. After this session, I'll share it again. Okay. Okay. So we will see now. This Meta 2 now. As of now, we will see this one. Okay. No issues. You can just go to the browser here. Type try hack me. Try hack me. So create one account here. So everyone please go to this try hack me website and create an account. So join for free. So here just give the username, email and password, everything. Or if you want, you can sign up with a Google. If you have already an account, just log into your account. I have already an account. Okay. So whenever you enter into this, after logging to the page, you will get a dashboard like this. Okay. So everyone please create an account here. I'm sending the link in the chat box. This try hack me. Open this one in the Kali Linux only. Don't open anywhere. Don't open anywhere. Just open this one in the Kali Linux only and create an account in the try hack me and let me know. Because this try hack me is providing this Windows 7 mission. That is a mission blue. Here is the mission. Everyone, please create an account in this one and let me know, guys. Make it fast. Yeah, is it completed? Everyone created an account. Okay, what about remaining one? Is what about remaining one? Yeah, completed. Okay. Okay, fine, guys. Just everyone, please visit this one. So here we have a search option is there. Okay. So here we have a search option. In the search button, search for blue. BLUE, blue. So here I'm searching like this. Just search for blue and hit enter. Okay, I'm already in the blue mission. That's why I'm not getting, I think. Blue. So after searching for the blue, you will get a like these options like persisting Active Directory, Caldera. So blue. The third mission. Okay, deploy hack into a Windows mission, leveraging common misconfiguration issues. Everyone is getting my point. So open this one. Open this one. Okay, so don't do anything. Don't do anything. Just start this mission. That's it. Start the mission, and here you will get an IP address. Okay, so here you will get an IP address for 1 hour. If you want to extend your time for another 1 hour, you can extend it. So this is a virtual mission. You will get an IP address of your target system. Then you can perform the scanning options. You can perform the enumeration. You can attack the system. But before attacking all these things, you need access to that particular network. Remember one thing: it is not in your network. This mission is not in your network. It is somewhere. It's launched in somewhere, some other country. It is launched. You just need an access with that network using VPN. So the same thing we are performing in companies also. When while we are performing the network penetration testing, first we will connect to their network using OpenVPN. Okay, and then next we will get an access to that network. We will perform the any attacks. Okay, so here you can see. So here you can see you will get an IP address within a 1 minute. So here is IP address. But if you want to access this one, just copy this one, go to any one of the one, and if you want to scan using nmap, paste this IP address, you won't get it because it's a private IP address. You will get host is down, you won't get anything. So host seems down. If it's really up but blocking your ping pros, it's not there because it is a private network. You are not in their network. So that you have to use Open VPN here. So click on access missions. Okay, click on access missions, and here click on Open VPN. Click on Open VPN, and then so click on here, view the dedicated Open VPN access space for more information. Click on this one. It will open in a new tab. So here what you have to do, so you just need to select the server. Here I'm just selecting the, leaving it a default one, EU regular, and download the configuration file. So automatically it will download the configuration file to my system. This is a my username with .ovpn extension. OVPN is nothing but Open VPN. Okay. So after downloading this one, up to this is clear for everyone. Anyone have any doubts with this one? So how to download the Open VPN? Anyone? If you have anyone doubts, let me know. Okay. So yeah, just download this one and let me know, guys. I'll go with a step by step. If you are facing any consequences, let's just share your screen. I'll help you. Let me know if you have any doubts or if you are facing any issues. Download this Open VPN file. Just drop a message after downloading that one completed in the chat box. Then I'll know that you have downloaded successfully. Everyone, please type a message after downloading the OpenVPN file. Okay, nearly how many students are there? Okay, 7 students are there. So I want response from all the students. Just right after downloading that one, just type the download is completed. Okay, Yash. So I want everyone response. Please type everyone downloaded. Good, Satvika. Good. Remaining one, remaining 5 members are there. So please download it and let me know, guys. Good, Sudan. Good. What about remaining one? If you are facing any issues, just let me know, guys. Download and Navneet. Okay. Okay. So majority of the people have downloaded successfully. So after downloading this one, just go to your terminal. Go to your terminal. Go to the downloads option. CD. Start type ls. Okay. CD. Home. Kali. Downloads. So this is a path for the download files. So just go to this downloads CD. First we are going to the home, and the next Kali option will be there. After the Kali we have a downloads folder will be there. In the downloads folder we have a OpenVPN file is there. See that OpenVPN file will be available in this downloads option. Everyone please go to it. So see, if you are using a normal user, if you are using a Kali at the rate of Kali, okay. So here I'm using a root at the rate of Kali. If you are using a as a sudo command before executing any commands. So here I'm already using the root, so that's why I'm not using sudo. So okay, for you I'll use this command sudo open VPN. Okay, so this is a command sudo open VPN space your VPN number, your VPN name you have to provide. Okay, so then hit enter. So after hitting the enter, so here you can see the new IP address has been came here. It's a 10.9.204.173. So now you are successfully connected to the remote organization. So now you have an access to all of their operating systems. Okay, got it? So everyone please connect your network to this one and let me know. After after connecting to the VPN, just drop a message in the chat box, connected successfully or connected. No, it won't take time. See, so after connecting successfully, you won't get any data. So you will get the data like here, you will get a new IP address. Okay. So the terminal, you have to leave it like that only. So don't close this terminal, don't stop the process. If you stop this process, you lost the connection. See, here I'm stopping the process. So I lost the connection. Here the IP has been left. So don't close the connection, just leave it like this, and here you will get an IP address. It means you are connected successfully. Yeah, it's connected. Okay, fine. Remind one, please connect it please connect it and let me know. And here is the command sudo open VPN space your VPN name. Connect it and let me know. Yeah, is it done, guys? Completed? Connected? If you are facing issues, just let me know. Yeah, yes. What about remaining one? Sudan, Navneet, Satvika. What about remaining one? Are you guys facing any issues while connecting to the VPN?
No, sir.
Okay, I asked you to share the details, right? If you're connected, so just type a connected message in the chat box. Okay, so once if you are connected to the network, you can don't close this terminal, open a new terminal. Open a new terminal. So now you can scan the particular target IP address, nmap. Yeah, done. So nmap. So go to this blue machine. Okay, so copy this IP address now. Space, paste the IP address. Now it will scan the target IP address and it will provide the how many ports has been opened there. See, so now you are getting the data. See, these like this you have to access the private IP address. First you need to connect to their network or you have to hack their network. Got my point? Uh, please everyone please scan this one. Just give me a second, guys. Yeah, everyone, please scan this network. Just copy the network and scan it. Let me know if you're getting the ports or not. If you're not getting, please try to share your screen. Okay. So first you need to scan. Suppose if you see here we have a MSRPC port is there, NetBIOS SSN, NetBIOS DS, MSWP server. These are the some unknown ports. Okay. So only 4 ports has been opened here. These 4 ports, we don't know what is the exact port. If you see here, port number 139 and 445, these 2 ports are SMB ports, server message block. Okay, so actually these ports are used to for file sharing purposes. They will use this SMB port. So whenever you have seen this one SMB port, that is 139 and 445 ports has been opened, you have to perform the SMB enumeration. Are you getting my point? What I'm saying? You have to perform the SMB enumeration because we have a vulnerabilities in the SMB ports. So every SMB version, like SMB version 1, we have a vulnerability. SMB version 2, we have a vulnerability. SMB version 3. Now currently everyone in every Windows they are using the SMB version 3. SMB version 3 also having some vulnerabilities, but it's not a directly exploitable vulnerabilities. Some user interaction will be required. But this SMB version 1, SMB version 2 does not require any vulnerable, like any interaction, user interaction. You can exploit the vulnerability by using a single IP address. Okay. So first we have to perform the SMB enumeration here. So what is the directory for SMB enumeration? So here what I am doing is, so here for SMB enumeration, we have a lot of scripts are there. Okay. ls SMB. Okay. So if you see here, if we have a lot of SMB scripts are there. See, this many scripts are too many. It will take a too much time to yeah, it will take a too much time to exploit all these things. Okay, so that's why we are using a single command to all these skins. Okay, all these things. So in database we have a one thing is there, that is a asterisk star mark. It will include all the things. So what we are doing now here, nmap IP address double hyphen script equals to smb asterisk. So it means it will take all the scripts which are there, okay, which are there in the smb. It will execute all the script in this smb, and finally it will show you which script is more vulnerable, which script have the vulnerability in this target system. It will show you like this. So if you are feeling like, if you are having a large scripts for a particular port, HTTP having nearly 20 to 50 scripts are there, it will take a too much time to execute one by one command. So that at that time you can use these type of commands. Script equals to smb asterisk. Asterisk is like a wildcard. It will take all the scripts. It will execute all the scripts in the enumeration. So it will take a lot of time. Okay, while you are executing, use this one. While you are executing, use this one. Now I'm using this one. That is MS17010. This is a vulnerability having in this Windows. I'll open a new port in map in dot 10 dot 11 dot 25 double hyphen script equals to this one. I'll execute. So you will get whether if it is there. Okay, you will get whether if it is there, the vulnerability you will get it is vulnerable, and what is the ID. So like this you will get host script result smb vulnerable ms17010. It is vulnerable. Remote code execution vulnerability in Microsoft SMB version 1 servers, that is the MS17010. This is the vulnerability. If you have any doubts, you can just go through the internet and search for the MS17-010. So here you can see what is this SMB remote code execution exploit. It is a EternalBlue vulnerability. So here you can see MS17010 EternalBlue one Windows kernel pool corruption vulnerability. When it is discovered in the 2017. So that's why you will get here CVE value also 2017 only. CVE 2017 0143 ID value. Okay. So if you are getting like these details, if you are getting like these details after executing the enumeration, it means the target system is vulnerable. Okay, the target system has been vulnerable. So whenever you have seen this one, so here you got the MS17010, which means this is vulnerable. So just go to the MSF console. Just go to the MSF console. MSF console is nothing but it is a framework which is used to exploit a target vulnerability. Okay, if you have the target vulnerability, okay, so the target vulnerability have some exploit also is there. You just need a weapon to execute this exploit. So if you want to hack a system, you need a some tool. So that tool here is MSF console. Okay, MSF console, this tool we are using here. Up to this is clear for everyone? Does anyone have any doubts? Yes, anyone have any doubts? Guys, please reply. Okay, what about remaining one? Okay. So after going to this MSF console, you just need to search the vulnerability name, search MS17 hyphen 010. So this is the vulnerability we got here, right? This is the vulnerability name we got here, MS17010. Or you can execute this one also like EternalBlue, you can type. So whatever you wish, you can type here. So just hit enter. So here we have a different exploits are there. So you have to use the 0th one. This is the right one for this one. Or if you have any doubts, you can execute one by one. Okay, you can execute one by one. Which one is working? You have to check it. So here I'm using the 0th one. Type a simple command. If you want to extract the thing from here, type a simple command, use 0. Simple one, use 0, then hit enter. So here you can see the payload has been configured to Windows 64 meter-preter reverse reason. Whenever you exploit it successfully, you will get a meter-preter connection. You will get a meter-preter connection. So here we need to set some options there. So just type options. Okay. So in these options here, you need to provide the rhost value. Rhost value means the target host. So which host you are going to attack, that target host IP address you need to provide here. So set rhosts 10.10.111.25. Okay, then hit enter. So after this one, just exploit, type exploit, and it will automatically hack the target system, and you will get a meter connection. Whatever you wish, you can do everything. So you can create files, you can delete the files. Even though you will get a screen sharing option also. If you're not using the root, you will get the screen sharing option also. You will get everything. Whatever you wish, you can do everything. So I think here also you can see that one, the mission. Yeah. So if you see, if you want a 1 hour extra, just click on here, add 1 hour. It will add one more hour to this one, like this. See, after all these things, you will get the meter connection. Then you can successfully whatever you wish, you can do it there. So just for wait for some more time. Yeah, is it clear for everyone? Or does anyone have any doubts? Yes. Or anyone want any other explanation? So if you are getting win here instead of fail, it is successfully executed. So if you are getting fail, it's somewhat it's blocking your pings and all things. Okay, if you don't have any doubts, try to exploit this one and let me know, guys. Just try to exploit this one. Let me know. So do the same thing. So first you have to perform the enumeration. Okay, enumeration is like, so like this, you need to perform the enumeration. So if you already know about this vulnerability, so you can use the previous one also. No issue. This one. So this one you can use SMB vul MS17-010. So like you will perform one by one, right? So like this, you have performed this one and you got the vulnerability. So like this, you can perform the things and you can know. So this is the vulnerability. So this is how the enumeration will help you to find the vulnerabilities. Got it? Yes. Does anyone have any doubts? Guys, if you have any doubts, please ask me. Don't be sit idle. It's a very, very important concept. Like this is a basic exploitation. Okay. So in interview, sometimes what is the vulnerability are there in the Windows 7? They will ask questions like this. What is the first SMB vulnerability? What is the name of the first SMB vulnerability? Then you have to say it is MS17-010 eternal blue vulnerability. Okay. So they will ask some open vulnerabilities, known vulnerabilities they will ask. Okay. See, many of the organizations still using the Windows 7 for their office purposes. Even we have a company, okay, some for some works we will use the Windows 7 only. Okay. So whenever you got in your network, if you are scanning in your network, you have find Windows 7 is there in your target mission. You can exploit the mission, can steal the things, can whatever you wish, you can do it. Got it? Okay, no session has been created. One second. I think we'll launch the mission. Started the mission. Okay. Let's start with the mission. Okay. Think it's not getting. Okay. So everyone, please exploit it. This is a common vulnerability. Exploit it and let me know, guys. Is it clear for everyone? Or does anyone have any doubts with this one? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can execute this one. I'll give you exactly 10 minutes of time. So execute this one, exploit the Windows 7 and let me know. See, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, execute it. You have to make a report on this one. So how you exploited the Windows 7 machine. Okay, so step by step, clearly you have to mention. You have to make a report of it, everything. Got my point? So that's why I'm asking you if you are getting any doubts, just ask me. Yeah, yes. So change to port, like I didn't get you. Dinesh Rajan, like I didn't talk you anything. So I have given work to exploit the Windows 7 machine, blue machine. Okay. Is it working for you on the port 135? Is it working? Yes. Is it working for you? I'll check. Let I getting on 445 port only. We'll see. See, we are not getting anything. Yeah, it's not target is not open. Is it clear that vulnerability means that Metasploit, see, not Metasploit, MS17 -010? Okay. Okay. Anyone have any doubts with this vulnerability? MS17 -010, that is a eternal blue vulnerability. Yes. Okay, good. What about remaining one? What about remaining one? Or if you are stuck with anywhere? Yes, I need response from other guys also. Yeah, guys, are you there or not? I'm asking you, you have any doubts or not? Just respond that. If you have doubts, you can say yes. I'm able to connect to the VPN. Satvika, you asking me now? Unable to connect. Now you are telling that unable to connect. Okay, please share your screen. Try to please share your screen. I'm just stopping my screen. Please share your screen. Unable to share. Okay, 1 second. Check that. Yeah, I have given access to you guys. Try to share your screen. See, I already told you, like if you are using the already, if you are in a root, no need to use a sudo. Okay. Okay, no issues. Just scroll down. Existing due to fatal error. Uh, click on up arrow. Click on up arrow. I think you have created this file, right? Okay. Do you edit this one? Have you edited this one? This VPN? VPN?
Yes, I just tried to add the all compression. Yes, I mean previously without that also I've tried it.
Yeah, remove that. Whatever you alter, I mean, whatever you have done changes, just remove that one.
Okay, sir.
Try to download a new file. Try to download a new file. Go to that website. Download it again. Select regular two. Okay. Go to downloads now. Not here. Terminal. Terminal. Type ls. Okay. Try to execute the Satvika Priya 2. Open VPN. Open VPN. Hit enter. Okay. How many terminals are open now currently?
Only one, sir.
Only one open. Safari is not sure open versions before to find. I think. Okay, it's a 2023 Kali Linux.
Yes, sir, the one which you shared.
Okay, okay. Okay, try to update this one. Try to update it.
The Kali Linux, sir.
Yes, sudo apt update and then apt upgrade. Apt upgrade. Yeah, and execute the last. So use the right arrow. Use the right arrow. Sudo apt space. Use the right arrow. Hit enter. Why there is an interaction has been happened. Okay, try to use the open VPN. Hit enter. Similarly, you are getting again. Okay, just type open VPN. Just type only open VPN. Open VPN, hit enter. Enter. Okay, scroll up. Scroll up. Yeah. So I have requested a remote control. Just accept the remote control.
So,
Satvika, so
Yes, sir.
copy this one and send it to me in the chat box.
Okay, sir. Actually, I tried. Okay, yeah, I'll just send it something.
Control Shift C. So share in the chat box.
I'm getting messages too long to send, sir.
Okay.
Let me just put
Share
it
it
in
in the
the
WhatsApp.
text message and okay.
Yeah, share it in WhatsApp. Okay, I'll in the next session I'll clear this doubt. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sir.
So hope it is clear for everyone, right? Anyone have any doubts?
No, sir.
Remaining one. Okay, guys. We'll see you in the next session. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the joining. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can leave from the session. Thank you for the joining. Yeah, Mandira, are you there?
Hello.
Yes, sir. It is done.
Can I went to the session, sir?
Yes, yes, you can.
Thank you.